Hi guys, welcome back again sa vlog ko, si Melrick Junicio ito. And for this content, I want to show you kung saan ako nag-high school. And ang saya ko kasi I got to step back again here, my alma mater, which is St. John's Academy. Naalala ko yan, dyan ako sa loob. Pag waiting ako, pag flag ceremony, dyan ako umuupo kasama yung mga friends ko. Nag-wait kami, nag-uusap kami. Dito ako pumapasok sa entrance pag may mga events, loyalty day. And dyan kami nag-graduate nung senior na ako ng high school. I love St. John's Academy talaga. Na-miss ko siya. And dyan kami naglalaro pag PE. And there are so many memories here na naalala ko, good memories, and it will always be in my heart na naging part ako ng academy na ito. And ngayon may naglalaro ng basketball sa court namin, and it is fun na nakakapanood ka. And looking back, bata pa ako nun, pero this has shaped me to become who I am. And lagi kong naalala na masaya ako dito kasama yung mga batchmates ko dito. Dyan yung mga classrooms namin. And pag may mass, dyan kami dyan sa dulo sa church. And lagi kong hanggang uwian dito kami dumadaan pag uwian. And I will always be who I am because of St. John's Academy. And looking back, that kid who stayed here will always be me. Kasi dito ko nakita na there are friends who are like family. Shout out to my batch 2008 class friends who nag-graduate din ako, kasama sila. Ito siya, St. John's Academy, yung entrance. Yan, sa mga gate na yan, dyan din ako pumapasok pag dating ng service. Kalamang Maning, Aling Virgie, shout out sa kanila. I love them so much because lagi nila kami hinahatid sa service. And thank you God kasi naging niya siyang nag-guide sa amin lahat para ma-get namin ang mga dreams namin. And after this vlog, you please like the button and subscribe to my channel, Melrick Junicio, and also my other media, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. See you guys again in my next vlog. Love you, St. John's Academy. The little plant has grown to be really who they should be.